Welcome to Fix My Computer Naples. If you're in Naples, Florida, and need reliable computer repair, you've come to the right place. Are you experiencing slow performance, hardware problems, or software issues? Don't let tech troubles slow you down. We're here to help. Our services include virus removal, hardware upgrades, and software fixes. We handle both desktops and laptops, including PCs and Macs. We come to you, whether at your home or office in Naples or Estero, Florida. No need to disconnect and carry your computer. We offer affordable and transparent pricing. Costs vary, but we provide free estimates so you know what to expect before we start. Our friendly, knowledgeable technicians work quickly, resolving most issues within hours. In some cases, we even offer same-day service. Call us today at 239-382-7247 or visit fixmycomputernaplesfl.com. Fix My Computer Naples, your local computer repair experts. Get back online fast with our professional service.